Good day, traders. This is Sanim Lalose from Gizmo Forex Trading. Yes, gizmoforextrading.co.za. I'm the CEO and also I'm the head trader and the head mentor and the head teacher at Gizmo Forex Trading. But guys, enough about Gizmo Forex Trading, which is my company. I want to be doing videos every Mondays and Fridays, right? Just showing you the most important levels before the trading week starts, and also important levels on a Friday as well after. So I want to analyze the markets on a Monday, and then we'll look at these levels again on a Friday and see what the price did on those levels based on my analysis. Okay, guys, this is all free information. This is what I'm actually willing to give to the community and show them these tips about trading. Right, let's go. So on Friday we had GBP weakness, right? We can clearly see this big candle that pushed down. There was a slight retracement, there's then another push down, but late Friday afternoon, it's safe to say we had GBP strength. As much as there was this weakness, right? Price action tells us, because of this low test bar, it tells us that the buyers stepped in late Friday afternoon and they were pushing the price up. We can clearly see based on this candle, this low test bar, and based on this bar again taking out that high, then there's another bar, and then this bar closed up as well. Yes, so the probabilities are, if it continues to go back up, it might come and retest that high, go back down, or alternatively, if it breaks this high and there's momentum behind the trade, right? And also there is strength behind GBP and weakness on the dollar. We are highly likely to see 29.53 holding before we've got another push down one more time. Why am I picking up these particular levels specifically is because, right, if you look at this big candle, this is what we call a hidden a gap, because there is a candle, but this is essentially a gap, right? Gap caused by what? Strong news. You know what? High impact news. Sometimes it closes then opens down there, but this is a gap. There is a candle here, that's why we say it's a hidden gap. There is a gap here, but it's a hidden gap. So it's highly likely to test these sellers that were here before it pushes back down one more time. But I always say I don't believe in fundamentals. Yes, I don't trade using fundamentals. I know there's other traders that will tell me that, you know what, they use fundamentals, it's the best trading for them. You're entitled to your opinion, but personally, I will prove to you right now why I'm not a big fundamental trader. We look at this push down here. We can clearly see this candle right there. Before that GBP election news announcement or whatever came out there, I'm not really quite sure. There were strong sellers here prior to that big push down, right? There were strong sellers prior to the market pushing down. There, we don't guess, we know, we can see it on our chart. Yes, there was the price. Where did it go? Back into that zone, retested that zone, and pushed back down. So that's why, to me, fundamentals in this particular case, it pushed the GBP down, but already there were sellers prior to the big announcement. That's why I don't believe in fundamentals. I believe in price action. I believe in analyzing what the markets are telling me. So right now, there is a high probability for GBP to come test this zone, go back down. Yes, there's other factors that I actually apply when I'm trading. I just don't look at these levels. Yes, there's other things that I look at to tell me with high probability if it's bouncing or breaking through that level. Right, that's not the lesson for the day. The lesson is watch out for this level right here, 28.11, right? Round about up there, and then watch out for 29.53, which is up there. Right, guys, I know people like round numbers. They'll push it closer, whatever. You can push it closer to whatever a round number is up there, but I don't care. It's close enough. Even if I miss it by 10 pips, it's good enough, as long as I'm clear the zone that I'm actually concentrating on. Yes, as long as I'm near the zone that I'm actually concentrating on. So this is the situation on a 4-hour chart, because why? I trade mainly the 4-hour chart, but I can scale up a little bit, and look at what is happening on the bigger scheme of things. On the bigger scheme of things, we had this big candle right here. There we go. With this big candle right here, we can clearly see this is also a hidden volume. Yes. Sorry, hidden gap, not hidden volume, hidden gap, right? Because we can clearly see here there was a big push to the upside. So also, if the price start pushing down, you must be watching out for 1.2560, 2559, 2960 for the price to be bouncing there, because we know there were strong buyers there on that particular zone all the way down there. There were strong buyers that were supporting the price. But the candle that is actually outstanding amongst all the candles is this one, so there's highly likely for the markets to push down. Right. And then finally, I go to my favorite time frame, which is the 30-minute chart. Yes, the 30-minute chart. And then I look at the 30-minute chart and see what was happening. We can clearly see price reversal. Yep, price reversal here. And we can clearly see the price went back up and it closed trying to pull back up on that earlier weakness, okay, on that open weakness. So GBP, if you ask me my opinion right now, GBP was strong before the close of Friday, so it's highly likely it might continue to go back to the upside, yes, and test these zones. Yes, you can clearly see as well, price push back up. Where did it reverse here? This is where sellers stepped in right there on this one, 28.12. So we are highly looking for the price to come and retest this zone, go back down, or alternatively push to that zone up there before it pushes back down. So there's a lot of factors, as I'm saying right now. Even on the market open Sunday night, comes and breaks this trend line here, then we know now with high probability we are running for the daily hidden gap area, which is down here. Does that make sense? So yes, this is my GBP analysis, right? As I always say, guys, these are free educational videos that I'm giving out to the community. That's the best that I can do. And you know what, a lot of people will always say, guys, you're making money with trading, why don't you teach people for free? Why don't you do this? Can I tell you something? As much as I'm giving out my soul on this video, people will never ever value this, right? People tend to not value free things. So the best thing is to make people pay so that they can pay attention. You pay, you will pay attention. That is the honest truth. So if you've got any inquiries about my trading, you need more information about this stuff, you know what, you're welcome to actually comment on this video or go to my website www.gizmoforextrading.co.za, or like my page on Facebook and send me a message. You will get a response right away with the office details and the telephone number and everything. Guys, stay blessed, happy trading. As I always say, share this video with your friends, share with your mentor, share with your cousin, share it with other traders. They might learn a thing or two from Salim Velose. Salim Velose, stay blessed. I'm out.